it's not about splurging into jewelry or something na mga luho lang, mga ma'am ko. It's about you have to buy because you have to enjoy it and think that it will revalue over time. Ayan mga ma'am ko, I'm gonna prepare today kasi meron tayong shoot. But while we are doing that, mga ma'am ko, while I'm preparing, gusto ko magbigay sa inyo ng konting kwento, mga ma'am ko, na alam nyo ba, ako, sa lahat na nakakakilala sa akin, hindi naman ako talaga masyadong mahilig sa alahas, mga ma'am ko, but I really love accessorizing myself. At isa na dyan, mga ma'am ko, na talagang dapat na-realize ko yung let's enjoy yung pagbili ng mga jewelry, mga ma'am ko, not only the jewelry, but anything that we found value para sa buhay natin. Kasi, importante siya talaga, mga ma'am ko, na makikita mo talaga na i-enjoy mo ito, tapos you also have to buy it, kasi meron din siyang revalue, mga ma'am ko. Hindi yung parang pag bumili ka, feeling mo, nag-splurge ka lang. Like, may mga things tayo, nakagaya na lang nito, this is from mama, from my mom, na yung mga things na yan, pag over time, tumataas siya, and that's what made me realize na it's not about splurging into jewelry or something na mga luho lang, mga ma'am ko. It's about you have to buy because you have to enjoy it and think that it will revalue over time. So mga ma'am ko, next time you shop for jewelry, don't think of it as a splurge. Think of it as a strategy. Shine smart, invest sharper. Kasi mga ma'am ko, the best kind of glow, yung kumikita tayong lahat. Diba? That's what we like, mga ma'am ko. So let's spread sparkle every day, mga ma'am ko. I'm Haina, your jewel fairy.